Ah, shoot. I wasn't filming that whole time. Oh. Hey everybody, good afternoon. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. It's Wednesday afternoon. I'm running errands in the city of Dumaguete, and I've got a hankering, I've got a hunger for some food. So we're gonna go over to Roti Boss, which in my opinion is the best Indian food in Dumaguete. If you're wondering where Roti Boss is located, it's right over there. We're in Quezon Park right now. There's the program for the deaf. They employ them to provide pedicures, manicures, massages, and all that. It's a good little program the city's running here. And right there is the bell tower, and over yonder is Old McDonald's. So it's basically kitty corner to the Old McDonald's. So let's go check out Roti Boss and get something to eat. And right across the street from Roti Boss is MS-13 gang signage. Whoa. Dumaguete is gonna have to build that wall. All right, so here it is, Roti Boss. Gourmet Indian Malay food, authentic Indian food prepared fresh daily. And as you can see, it's a small place. This is it right here. It's a small setting, only a few tables, but the food is really, really good. And as you can see, the price is quite reasonable. Classic curry. I got the chicken curry for $1.99. They also got the monster curry, so that's enough for 2 people. And they got roti, because it's Roti Boss, and they got vegetarian specials, drinks, all that stuff. And we actually got a meal here, and it's steaming. So this is 199 pesos. Authentic Indian chicken curry, or it's extra spicy. You got your naan bread, I should say. I think it's only 2 A's. And as you can see, the MS-13 signs right out there. You're watching that. And I'm going to indulge. So if you're in Dumaguete City and you're looking for some really good Indian food, I think this is basically your only offering here if you want a real curry, because this is a real curry. There's another place up in Valencia called Spice, but that's basically a Thai place, but that's also really good. So this is Ned of My Philippine Dreams, and I will see you next time. Alright, now that I've sufficiently fueled myself with chicken curry, I'm off to JVS Audio. I gotta get some guitar strings for my guitar, and this is the place to go. If you're in Dumaguete City and you're a musician, or just pretend to be a musician like I do, this is the place to go to get all your musician stuff needs. So let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are, JVS Audio Systems. And if you're, like I said, if you're a musician or pretend to be a musician like I do, this is the place to go for all your musical needs. They got basically everything under the sun. They got karaoke systems, they have subwoofers. There's a 500-watt subwoofer right there. These are integrated karaoke systems. These are high-end stuff. It's not the cheap stuff you'll get at Unitop. And you need guitar strings like I do. It's where you go for guitar strings. Good afternoon. And instrument cables, drumsticks, they got everything. They even have lighting systems. They even got lighting systems here. And upstairs is where all the fun stuff is. Cymbals, if you need cymbals, this is the place to go. Violins, bass guitars, electric guitars, acoustic guitars, ukuleles, you name it, they got it. Guitar effects, pedals, and processors. They got Boss GT1, they got Digitech. I didn't even know Digitech was still around. Epiphones right here. Gotta love the Epiphones. Someday I'm gonna upgrade my cheap Thompson Fender Strat to a real guitar. Maybe I'll get an Epiphone. And they got all kinds of amplifiers. There's an orange right there. There's a Fender Mustang. Got a Marshall head over here. And you got a Marshall integrated right there. Ibanez's, Squire's. How much is a Squire Strat? $16,950 for a Squire Strat. More amplifiers, more guitars. Oh, that's a really nice. Oh, it's a quart. Huh? I wonder how much quarts are here. 18,800. Wow, that's a good beginner guitar. Keyboards and a rich assortment of acoustic guitars. And these guitars right here. This is made by a company called D&D, and I don't know if it's assembled or made in Manila, But these are really good guitars for the price. For example, this one's only 8,675 pesos, and it's a beauty. The action on them is really good. I got a buddy of mine who got one, and he loves it. And some, you know, some of them got the integrated amplifiers. There's another D&D. I don't know how much. It's a Fishman. I don't know how much that one is. Can't see the price. But that's 10,500. So that's 200 bucks. No, that's like $185 for this right here. They got some really nice stuff. PV amplifiers and a whole selection of ukuleles. Oh, they even got a plastic ukulele. Interesting. Dumaguete City, Philippines. And drums, if you need to, if your neighbors are getting carried away with the karaoke, just get yourself a drum set, set up in the backyard, and have at it. Put on some Metallica. So this is it. If you're in Dumaguete City and you're a musician and you need stuff, this is where you go. If you're interested in learning guitar, this is a great place to come and get a really nice beginner's guitar. Again, for $150. What is that? This one's $150 right here. That's a beautiful guitar. It's got some weird fret inlay there, but that's okay. Or if you need a cello, you know, sometimes you need a cello. This is where you come and get the cello. And that's 16,000 pesos for a cello. And it's also air conditioned because today's a hot, humid day. And bass amps, drum, you know, all kind. Bongos. If you want to get your Matthew McConaughey on, you get your bongos out back, blaze it up, have at it. So I'll put a map to where this place is in the video, and I gotta go get some guitar strings, so I'll see you next time.